Okie dokie. What's going on, guys? I'm sure you saw the title and the thumbnail of this video, and a lot of you guys that have been subbed for a while are probably like, oh, this is Chase's radio silence. He's just clickbaiting. But this one is actually not. My lease here at the shop ends tomorrow. I don't have another shop we're moving to. As of tomorrow, having a shop on this channel is officially over. I do kind of look at it as a bit of a failure on my part. So that's what we're going to be talking about today. And hopefully by the end of the video, you guys will kind of see where I'm coming from. For you guys that have been part of the channel for a while, you guys might remember, but back in 2021 is when we actually moved into this space. We were in the middle of our season 5 of WBRGarage, our motorcycle giveaway show, and we were attempting to rebuild 3 CBRs. We had a Honda CBR 300, 600, and a 1000, and we were trying to build them all at the same time, and we just ran out of space out of my small little 2-car garage. There was nowhere near enough space there to take on 3 massive projects like that. That's why we even moved into here, so that we could have more space to do or to finish the project that we had taken on. Also, sorry for the little microphone thing. It's so echoey in here with nothing in here that it's echo. Audio's not great if I don't use this little guy. Now, you guys probably know that have been watching the channel for a while, but I am a big idea type of guy. And as we were talking about getting the shop space, obviously we needed the space for more room for our motorcycle builds. But when I started looking at the space and seeing how much space we would have, I started getting the idea of like, well, maybe we have enough space. Maybe we can dictate part of it for our rebuild studio. And that's where we film everything. But with the other half, maybe we build a whole nother bay and we start bringing in customers and fixing customer bikes. Maybe not full rebuilds like we're doing over on our show, but maybe like small little jobs, and we can get customers through our Chaseontwowheels channel. And I started having all these like crazy cool ideas and like wanted to go down this path of like building up this whole other side of the business. 3 years later, I think you guys pretty much get it, but that did not happen. I just walked into a wall. I was trying to walk off frame and I'll just go this way. Now, piggybacking off that, I know over the last few years, you guys have seen people come and go on the channel and seen different faces here and there. And that made me come to a realization Now, I feel like I have a few skill sets that I find like that I am attracted to. I'm good at those things. But I have also realized that I am very bad at a few different skill sets that I really want to get better at. And that is building up a team of like-minded people that have the same goals to achieve what I want us to achieve here on this channel. I fully believe that it is easier to run an entire YouTube channel by yourself than it is to build up a team around you. I did not realize that was a skill set. My God, it most definitely is. And it also makes me appreciate channels like my buddy Blockhead. If you guys haven't seen Blockhead's channel, if you're into cruisers, he is definitely the channel to check out here on YouTube. But he has built this entire shop and he's built this team around him, and they all seem to be on the same page to want to achieve the same things. And it makes me see what he's doing and be so proud of him, for one, but envy his ability to be able to do that. So Blockhead, dude, super shout out to being able to have that. I do not have a great skill set of that. I'm working on it. I've been reading books and listening to podcasts, and I aspire to get to that point one day. I am definitely not at that point yet, though. So with us moving shops, I'm sure a lot of you guys have a lot of questions. By the way, you're in the kind of like dark side of the garage. Sorry about that. So with us moving garage spaces, I'm sure a lot of you guys have a lot of questions, mostly of which are going to be about WBR Garage. Are you guys still going to be doing WBR Garage? Yes, we are still going to be doing that. It's going to be out of my home garage for the next little while, but I will talk about more of that when we come back from our break. And if you're new to the channel, you might be hearing break. What does that mean? Every year we take a break during January. We don't post anything. I take the first week off, just totally blackout. No Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, no nothing. I am on social media blackout. I call it radio silence. If you guys don't know, YouTube is very interesting. In January, ads are terrible. And on a motorcycle channel, at least mine, on January, views are down. So in January, my views are down and ads pay out about 1/3 of what they typically do. So I'm like, so instead of working really hard and not getting paid a lot for it, I'll just take the whole month off, and that way I can reset and just have a killer 11 months. That's how I've been running the channel for the last like 6 years, and it's worked out pretty well. So I have no intentions of stopping doing that, but we will talk more about all the changes to WBR Garage back in February when we come back. Also, if you're watching this video right when it comes out, you have until tonight at midnight to enter to win our R6M that we are currently giving away. We've been building it all during 2023. It's finally done. We've been promoting it. You guys have seen what it looks like. Looks like that. It's freaking dope. And we're going to be giving it away when we come back in February. All the emails and stuff will go out during January. So if you guys want to win that, it's still available if you're watching this right when it comes out. You know, seeing the shop totally empty like this makes you remember like all the stuff you did here, and I'm super grateful to have had this shop space for the last 3 years. But if I'll be honest with you guys, the last year was probably the most stressful year that I've ever experienced here on YouTube making motorcycle content for you guys. Kind of looking at my radio silence videos in the last few years,
it seems like there's been this stress bubble that's just been getting bigger and bigger and bigger, to the point where last year I said this on a Radio Silence video.
2023, I got to focus on myself, and I'm not going to be pushing myself outside of what I think I can mentally handle. And
yeah, so that definitely didn't happen. But I feel like that bubble just kept getting bigger and bigger, and I think this year it just finally busted. It came to a head, and just it all the stress all at one time. And because of that, I find myself being very ready for the next chapter and leaving this garage space. I'm very, like I said, I'm very thankful for everything I was able to do here and all the content we were able to make for you guys. But I feel like I really need a change, and I feel like that change has been needing for a while, but I wasn't pushed far enough, and I think I am now. I think I'm ready to close this chapter.
And now we are back in my home garage. Let me know in the comments if you guys have been watching the channel since we used to film out of here. And yes, I know it is absolutely pure chaos, but don't worry, I'll have this place figured out by the first video back of 2024. Now, ending off the year, I just wanted to say that I am super proud of all the content that we made for you guys in 2023. I think we had some absolutely phenomenal videos, and if you guys want, let me know in the comments down below what your favorite video was. I know we made a lot of them, but if you have a very specific one that you can remember, let me know down there. And, I just want to say thank you to you guys. We would not be able to do the cool stuff that we do on this channel if it wasn't for you guys supporting. Whether you're brand new to the channel, you just subscribed, or, just hitting the like button. Maybe you just stop in every now and then and see a video. All the support is absolutely massive, especially if you're in one of our communities like Discord or our WBRG website where we're giving bikes away. Any way you guys support is absolutely fantastic, and I'm very appreciative. I absolutely love what I do. I know I'm a little hard on myself on these end of the year videos, but overall, grand scheme, I am happy about the content that we're putting out, and it wouldn't be without you guys. We wouldn't be able to do all this if it wasn't for you guys watching. So you guys watching, liking, subscribing, whatever you're doing, we really appreciate it. I'm very excited for 2024. I cannot wait to show you guys what we have in the works. I think it's going to be an awesome year. I'm super excited about it. You guys, I hope you have a very enjoyable January, and I'm going to take some steps back. I'm going to just get away from social media for a little while, and I'm going to come back in February of 2024 ready to freaking go. I hope you guys are too. Got a lot of work before that. You guys make sure to like the video, subscribe if you like motorcycle content, and I'll see you in 2024. Bye-bye. There's so much stuff in here.